What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to get that Keith Richards sound without even knowing anything about guitar. Super easy lesson. This is for complete beginners who love the Rolling Stones and want to sound just like Keith but without doing all the heavy lifting and hard work. Let's dive in. Alright, the secret to sound like Keith Richards is really all about a different tuning than you're probably used to, especially if you're a beginner. We're going to get into what is called open G tuning. This is a very common blues tuning, commonly used for slide guitar, things like that. Blah, blah, blah. All you need to know is that we need to get in a G tuning, and I'm going to show you what that is. G tuning, or open G tuning, is where you take your E string, this top string here, and you tune it down until it says D. And then you take the A string, you tune that down until it says G. It's going to go down a whole step for both of those. And then the D string, good news. Just make sure it's in the middle. It says D. Same thing as always. G. Get that one in the middle. Again, same thing as in standard tuning. Our B string is the note of B, and it stays the same as well. And then lastly, our high E string is now going to be a D. You want to tune that down a whole step, so that way it is showing D. Alright, so once you're in that tuning, open G tuning, by the way, I'd recommend doing 2 rounds, because the first round, what's going to happen is your guitar is going to kind of try to compensate for all that lost slack, or I'm sorry, all that lost tension, and so some strings will be out of tune. Go for 2 rounds, get it in tune, you're going to sound great. Here's how you sound like Keith. Super, super easy, shortcut way. Here we go, nice little hack. All you got to do is get in that open tuning, and then simply use one finger to bar across all the strings. So I'm just going to pick the 5th fret. You can do anywhere you want. Now technically Keith tends to play more from the A string down, so I'm going to go down to the A string here and strum all of those. Okay? If you want to get all of them, that's fine. It's kind of an easier way to do it. I'm going to be doing this today. You can already kind of hear, that sounds like something, right? What's cool about open tunings is you can do this. These are all chords. This is a G. This is a G sharp. That's an A, a B, and so forth. So it's super easy in order to get into playing some chords. It's actually kind of a nice hack in of itself. So what you want to do to play like Keith though is to get used to playing that and barring the whole thing. I'm using my thumb on the back, by the way, creating this bar, keeping the fingers straight. And that can be a challenge a little bit, but just do your best. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this kind of minor 7 looking shape. If you've never played one, no big deal. I'm going to coach you through what that might look like. If we were in standard tuning, this would be a minor 7. But in Keith land, this is just a simple little trick that creates a different chord. He puts, let's say if we're on the 5th fret, he's going to put his middle finger on the B string 6th fret. He's going to put his 3rd finger, his ring finger, on the D string 7th fret. He's going to play that. That sounds cool. And then he's going to go back and forth from those two. Check this out. No fingers on the board, just the one, and then he's back. Already, we're sounding like Keith. And I might use my right hand to kind of give it some, I'll karate chop it and kind of stop the noise a little bit. And just move this thing around. Check this out. Cool stuff, right? And as long as you can go from that first finger flat to doing that shape, that's really all it takes. Move that thing around and you're going to sound just like Keith Richards himself. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. Please subscribe, like, share with your mom, your brother, your sister, your dad, your uncle. They're all going to love this stuff. So if anyone's beginning with a guitar who loves the Stones, this is the video for them. Also, feel free to support me on Patreon. The link is below. Also, I've got a couple products down there talking about guitar and different concepts. Feel free to check those out as well. That's my shameless plug. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you next time.